This is a 1977 CB400 Super Sport, and what a gorgeous looking bike she is. This bike has covered just under 18,000 miles. These bikes were well known for being smooth and economical with impressive acceleration and speed. The 408cc engine is famed for its high revs. The cafe racer styling was accentuated by the lower handlebars and foot pegs. These bikes became a style symbol in the 70s because of this. The CB400 Super Sport was only produced between 1975 and 1977, making them rare today and highly sought after. To see this bike and many more, come see us at Frank's Motorcycles in Colchester or visit our website at www.franksmotorcycles.co.uk.